Hello everybody, welcome back. So an update on the SXP situation. So as you know, SXP I suppose is breaking out. So we got in and, well, I always say we. I got in around these zones on bot trading more than I have spot trading, and it's done pretty well so far. We're up 15%, $830 of bot profit, plus obviously the bags that I've been holding, which has been pretty good actually for a bot trade. Not too bad. I mean, how long has that taken to make that? 5 days. 5 days with an accumulated extra profit of $800 or so not too bad. So now we're looking for the next step up on SXP. So what I was saying on my first video was that, you know, we're looking to stay within this region, and then once we've broken out of this support goes back in time from here to here to here to here, and once we've broken out of it, I'd like to see it being tested as support. So we got that retest basically. It's taken what, 4-5 days basically since the breakout of it. Came back down to retest it. Bit of a nasty little wick, but that's why I do the bot trading, you see, so I can make money on the way up and on the way down, which has worked out really well. But now it's really going for it. Okay, so the next levels of resistance are going to be up here, which is about between $1.73 to $1.86 is what I would expect. But it may not stop there, but I would imagine it would stop there to start with, come down, maybe test a range, and probably find our way in amongst this. I don't think we'll be coming down to test this support zone again, not for a little while. Not unless there was something significant take place in the market, for instance. As far as the chart's concerned, it's definitely broken bullish at this point, and it's probably going to look for a continuation above here once it's broken above. It's going to be a pretty volatile asset, I imagine now, like it used to be. A lot of people obviously scared of this, and I can't blame them for it, which is one of the reasons I chose to do bot trading over spot trading on this one. I mean, the breakout is now pretty clear. The retest of that support is very clear now. So yeah, expect some volatility within this range, but our next actual target is around this zone, and breaking above here will actually cause a giant continuation. This isn't likely to happen anytime immediately, for instance, I should say. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we had a giant wick go up to that zone. That wouldn't surprise me, but I would expect a decent retracement from there to find a support. And looking at the way that the chart is, I would imagine we're basically slap bang in the middle of where we are at right now, where the support is likely to take place, around about $1.52 or so, thereabouts. Probably a little lower, maybe just $1.50, a nice round number for everybody to get their head around, and that corresponds to these original supports all the way back down here. These supports down here held. We also had a little tiny moment around here, didn't we? And so I think, you know, and looking at it now, perhaps we could also consider this to be our next level of resistance, but don't think this one shouldn't cause too much of an issue. I think once this one breaks, we will be in this kind of range, you know, snaking around within this range, and that's where the price action will stay for a little while, till the moving averages catch up with the price action, to inevitably give it the next big push up to maybe about $2.30, $2.40 or something around those levels. Anyway, I like the way that it's shaping up. I'm going to continue with my bot. My bot is enjoying the moves up and down. And as I say, I am expecting moves up and down, which is why the bot is probably going to be the best option for me. I'm not really looking to get involved in spot trades on this. The time to have done that would have been yesterday when we retested this support. Not right now, it's not. We're right in the middle of the range at the moment, so expect perhaps maybe a test of this zone, come back down. And again, this is perfect for bot trading if it came back down to that support, which I don't think it would, but if it did, and it could, it would be a 20% back down again. That's great, because it would mean that the inevitable 20% back up will take place for spot traders, and for my bot, it's just going to be enjoying the whole process. My bots will just be making me all that profit on the side. So I mean, this is good. The chart is playing out as expected, so it's a work in progress. I'm not expecting anything significant from it, you know, as in a continuation move. It's making nice steady incremental steps up, which is what we want. You know, we didn't have that before, and when you have moves like this, then we do get moves like this. When we get moves like this is a lot better, a lot more healthy, a lot more structured. It may take a bit more time, but it's sustainable, and that's what we like in a chart. We We like sustainability. We don't like FOMO. We don't like explosive tops. We don't like all this kind of craziness. We like this. This is what we like. I mean, look at how nice the stair steps are, and they're very big as well, up and down. Look, and I say that because I'm trading with bots. You know, there's not many people enjoy seeing their tokens come down in value. But when you're doing bot trading, it is kind of nice to see that pullback as well, because it means you get to play the entire range all over again, all the way up, all the way down. You get to play it all over again. Hopefully it'll come back down, or you get to play it all over again. And each time it goes down, I get excited, because I know that, you know, with a structure like this, you know, reasonably long term, over the next week or 2 or 3 or more, and we're likely to continue with this stair stepping up. It's basically just getting started, but with a volatile range, perfect for a bot. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. Thank you for watching. I've got a Patreon channel, I've got a Telegram channel, I've got every kind of channel you could possibly imagine, but all the links are in the description below. There are some scammers out there pretending to be me that might leave you some comments. I try to ban them from the channel, but they always seem to come out with a new CryptoClick account. So if you do get a comment from me on the comments, it comes up, you know, in like with like a, I think it's like a grey outlined part of my name that shows you that it's me. But generally, if someone called CryptoClick is leaving, you know, spammy style messages asking you to sign up to anything, it's not me. All my descriptions are in the video. That's where they will be. If you want to take this channel further and go to a Patreon or a Telegram chat or whatever, that's where you'd find the links. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.